This is gonna be the easiest updo tutorial that I ever give you guys. All you guys are gonna need for this tutorial is your wig, little clips, your elastics, and that's basically it. I wanted this tutorial to be glueless, 100% glueless, no gel, no hairspray, and you're gonna be able to put it up in a bun or your ponytail and it won't show that you're wearing a wig. That's the type of video I wanted to do today. I got so inspired. I seen so many cool hairstyles that were just like so simple and easy and great for the holiday parties or wedding events, any type of event that you have. This tutorial is going to be amazing. So let's get into it. So you guys can see that I'm actually wearing a wig cap today. I never wear wig caps. I hate wig caps. You guys know that. But whenever it comes to the updos, like showing the back of the neck, I did not want to risk it. And we are going to be wearing an HD wig cap today. So this is the one that I'm wearing. It's nothing special. There's no special reason why I'm wearing an HD wig cap. It's just the one that I'm wearing because you're not going to be able to see my scalp or anything underneath. And if you're bald underneath your wig, then you're going to need some wig grips. So this one here is really great because it holds on to your wig. I really like these ones. The way that it just kind of like snugs to my head is amazing and it just holds onto my wig, but because it's a little bit tighter, it can tend to give headaches. And I don't know what event you're going to. If you're going to be there for a long time and you want that super like comfort while you're there, then you might want to go in with a fabric wig grip. This is great too for holding your wig in place. It's not as grippy, but it's not going to give you a headache at all. The one I'm going to go in with is this one because I am wearing it for a short amount of time just for this tutorial to show you guys how to do these super simple updos. So that is how I'm going to place it. And you guys can see that my hair is really flat today because I went ahead, just did 2 simple braids on each side and went in with some bobby pins and pinned it all into my hair. That's all I did. I just crisscrossed it and pinned it, and that's how you get that super flat look, which you're probably gonna want if you're going to like a party. You're gonna want the most realistic look possible. You can also do like a low bun, a little messy type of bun, but I just didn't want to risk anything flying out today. Not at all, because we're having our hair up. So I have my wig on. Now we're ready to start off with the first style. And for the first style, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like a half up, half down type of style. For those girls that have wigs that just don't look real in the back, if you're worried about having like your back of your wig actually showing and you're very insecure about this whole area showing, then this is gonna be your type of style. You can still go to events and have like a pretty updo, but just like do half up. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna leave the framing around my face down, like the fringe around my face, and we're gonna take this whole section here. Of course, we're gonna leave out some little hairs. I'll like get into that later. The hairs that frame your face, just so we don't see this like straight line. And we're going to just pull out some, and we're going to take both sides. So just run your hand through like so, and we're gonna try and get like a back elastic. So this is good enough for me. From here, where I'm gonna take it is I'm gonna put in one of these type of elastics that you can just simply get at the dollar store, and I'm going to make an elastic straight into the back. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. So now that I have my elastic straight in the back, I'm just going to make a little kind of hole right here, and I'm going to flip that elastic upside down and inside here, and I'm going to pull it and have this cute little updo type of style. Now you can have this like really in the back, like a ponytail type of vibe, like so. So it's not so like crazy. This is like a really cute look. But personally, I like to like flip it out like this and then bring it like this. Have it a little bit crazy. And it just looks more like, I don't know, party-ish. Like I said, these are going to be super simple, super easy looks. This is like the most simplest look because now we're getting into like the buns and the ponytails where all of your wig has to show. But this is just the most simplest one whenever you have that insecurity of the back of your wig showing. This is going to be that perfect look for your party where nobody's going to be able to tell that it's a wig because everything is hiding. Maybe like right here I could fix a little bit more and hide it a little bit more, but you could take your time. I'll just reclip this wig and shove it back. And there you go, that fixed that problem. If you're going to take this ponytail out though, what I highly suggest if you do these type of styles to your wigs is get yourself an elastic cutter. So showing you guys how this works is, see the elastic when that's in your hair, and you take this guy and you yank, it just snips it right in half. So you don't have to pull, you don't have to yank on your own hair. Moving on to the second style, this is one of my favorites because it kind of reminds me of Rachel from Friends, but it's like that city chick type of look. But like I tried, but I didn't try too hard type of vibe, and this is going to be the cutest. So again, I love to just keep the front of my wig like little kind of fringes in the front. I really feel like this is what can make or break your look, and it just makes it more simpler whenever you're doing updos to keep the hairline looking as real as possible, and it kind of gives this like sexy type of look too as well. So I seen this tutorial off of TikTok, and what a girl did, I'm basically just going to show you what I learned, was she took each side and she brought it back. She did this on her natural hair. It wasn't on a wig. So this is the first time I actually attempt this on a wig. Maybe I should have tried this beforehand before showing you guys. But I'm like, I'm sure with this type of wig, I can definitely do it because this wig here is an actual ponytail wig. If you haven't heard of ponytail wigs, it's a ponytail wig because it has these little clips on each side of the head. It also has a humongous clip here. So whenever you yank on it, it's not going anywhere, and you're able to put it up along your ear because of those clips. So let me just unclip it for you guys so you guys can see. It has let me just show you guys. So it has these little hair extension type of clips, and these are such high quality ones, so they're not budging. They're really gonna grip into your hair, and you can place it wherever your ear kind of tab is, wherever you want the wig to just stay. And then you can pull up the hair without the wig lifting, without it budging, and it just kind of looks like it's coming out of your head. Of course, you're gonna wanna leave some type of hair out just to give the most realistic look as possible. Let's do this side a little bit, pull out some hair. There you go. From here, you're going to take your hair and just simply, can you see? Okay, twist it. It's hard to know what the camera sees. And then take your clip and put it directly in the back of your head. Let your hair fall. So do like that's what she did in the TikTok. She's like, there we go. Make it a cute little clipped up ponytail. But then from here, you're going to grab the clip and push it upwards. Open it just a tad bit, the littlest amount. Open it up, shove it up, and then clip it. And now you've got this like really cute updo. It's not like a classic like, oh, I just have a claw clip in my hair. It's a little bit more elegant. It's a little more cute. So you guys can see it looks like it's coming straight from my head in the back. You can definitely pull out some strands as well. These are kind of longer. If it's your wig and you feel comfortable with it, cutting these and making them look like, I don't know, like baby hairs in the back would be so nice and really just help make it look so much more like your own hair. This wig is 22 inches, but if you guys have like a shorter wig, you can always go in with like, you can even get a shorter one, but this is the shortest one I have in my house. You can go in with a claw clip that's even shorter, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you the same look, but it's going to like not take up so much room in the back. Now let's get into the third one. This one's going to be the most like beautiful, stunning like bun ever, but I'm going to try it onto this wig and we're going to see if it works or not. I have a feeling because it is a ponytail wig that is going to work no problem. All the styles I've tried today seem to have worked, and these were all a first time try type of things. I got inspired and I just decided to start filming. So I'm going to pull this all up, and you guys can see if I just wanted a simple ponytail, that's what it would look like, you know. I'm not going to show you guys a simple ponytail. You guys can see that this is what it would look like, but we're going for fancy today. We're going for a very, very fancy type of look. So I'm gonna pull all the hair up, and we'll play around with the hair that frames the face later, so this way nothing shows, no wig parts show. And I'm going to put the elastic around the top of my head and pull. So I'm going to take my hair, pull it forward, and kind of make it messy all on the top of my head. And then I'm going to go on the top of my head and pull an elastic and make a type of bun on the top. There we go, like so. And once you have that bun, you're gonna have all these strands everywhere, and you're gonna divide them into two. And once you have them divided into two, you're gonna take each side and wrap it around this bun and then pin it in with some bobby pins. And that's what's gonna give this type of look. Of course, you're gonna have to play around with it and use some bobby pins and like pin all the little flyaway hairs everywhere. And then that's just gonna give you this messy bun type of look. It's super simple, super fast, but yet still like really nice for like a work day if you're going to work or you're going to school or anything like that. Like this is such a beautiful, like it looks like you spent a lot of time on your hair, but not really. Like it's still messy and really nice. So that is the 3 styles that I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more of these ponytail wigs or if you guys want to see more updos like so, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.